bath time already.
Yep. You guys ready?
Ready. The first time this year, right?
Yeah, I think it is. I think it's been since November. What do you need? Don't stress, bro. Just knock it out. I've got you on camera. Here, you take it, Maya. I'm gonna start dragging.
We're gonna keep this on? For how long?
Oh, at least document some. All right, sit on down, Park, so you don't fall. Just drop.
I'll be in the back.
Hold on tight.
Dad, can you put my coat on?
In a minute.
I want to get in. Hey, get out.
I can't drag everybody.
It's too heavy.
Are you guys getting in here or you want to get in over there?
We'll get in over there.
Okay.
You want to get in now, Allie? Go ahead. Hop on in.
You to get in first.
Oh, okay.
It's still rising. Looks like it's gained another 3.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Bugs getting Parker.
I think I feel a few myself.
Yeah.
This is fun. I wish I got in before I got in
Well,
the
get in.
water.
Get in.
Dad, wait.
She wants to get in.
Put it back.
Oh, we're gonna relaunch.
All right, I'm gonna go help Jeffrey.
What? No, I'm sitting there. I'm gonna paddle.
Where do I sit?
You can sit on that life jacket.
I'm gonna paddle.
Drop down, baby. Where are you going? Jeff's right out there.
Oh, good.
I see him at the gate.
There he comes. There he is. That's all right. You're not walking. We're gonna be riding. You won't be walking very long. Here he comes.
Oh, I want to get in.
Hold on, let me get going.
We're gonna drop
in
in.
the front. Are you going?
Yeah, I'm going. He's gonna pick us up over there, where it's easier.
Oh, Parker's
How old are you, Jeffrey?
9.
All right.
Bye.
Haha. You're gonna pick us up over here?
I'll pick you up right there at the beginning of the pointers.
Okay.
By the hash marks.
Okay.
Parker, bring it up.
I'm floating.
Jeffrey.
Oh, I'm floating.
Look how clear this water is, actually.
I'm floating. I'm
We got a
floating.
way to cross.
Float. So the water was this deep, running fast.
Yeah, it was. All right, it's our turn to get in, Jay.